Have you ever wondered how a smartphone, car, or even a washing machine can think? Today we will explore how computer actually work. Hello everyone, welcome to my very first tutorial. My name is Firoz Ahmed. I will share with you about my journey with software engineering. From morning to night, we use computer everywhere in multiple forms like television, electrical vehicle, motorbike, smartphone, music machine, gaming machine, Internet Explorer, and many more. Nowadays, computers are everywhere and leading the world in many aspects like banking, healthcare, education, research, and many more. Nowadays, computer is very important tools. In this tutorial, you will learn how a computer actually works, from firmware to operating system and applications. We will learn basic to depth understanding about computer component and its nature and behaviors. Computer is basically takes input from user in many forms like keyboard, mouse, scanner, joystick, and many more. All provided output also with many forms like monitor, printer, projector. During the input and output, we need to process it with help of group of components like processor, controller, memory, and set of instructions. This instruction set known as operating software. Not only operating software, somewhere instruction set called as application. We'll move in this part later. When we press the power button, then a massive amount of instruction being loaded from hard drive to memory, which are operating system software like Linux, Windows, Mac OS, Android, and Chrome OS. To work with computer more closely, operating system is not enough. We need another software based on our needs or requirement that call our application software, such as word processor application. In Linux, we see something Libre library, and worldwide popular application is Microsoft Office. Second, in Internet Explorer, such as Firefox, Google Chrome, Safari. Media player for audio and video playing. Calculator for daily basis calculation, spreadsheet like Excel or any kind of sheet applications, and many more other applications. So not only operating system, but also many applications need for daily basis work. These applications are made with many programming languages, which are C or C++, Java, C#, Python. Based our application type and use cases, we need to choose a good programming language to develop a good application. We will go through Java programming in our case. That is very good for enterprise grade application worldwide, such as fintech and banking application, healthcare, high performance trading application, distribute application, big data center. To run Java application over any computer, we need to install Java compiler. Compiler is nothing but one kind of application software. This Java compiler help us to convert our code to machine specific instruction. Our code is look like fancy English word with multiple colors, multiple instructions. Many beginners often may confuse about it, that how an electronic machine execute English instruction. We may talk about it in detail in microprocessor and operating system part. This is complex engineering. I want to skip it for now. Just keep in mind, computer cannot process English instruction. It need to convert machine readable instruction like binary, which is more likely mathematical rhythm of electrical signal. Before starting any programming concept, we need to understand how a computer understand about computer program. During the manufacturing of a computer, engineers provide some instruction to make processor to understand what to do after pressing the power button of a computer by its user. Its instruction located inside ROM, known as firmware application. And after executing firmware application, processor definitely will know about operating system part and where it's located in the hard drive. Processor immediately start loading operating system inside the RAM and started executing application program. Before executing an application program, we have to make sure that the application program is registered in operating system path. So operating system will know about it and how to run it. Operating system software provide installed software list. How many software we have installed? Operating system definitely will provide us this list. For Ubuntu, it's loaded inside usr/bin or usr/share or usr/lib or many more places. In Windows, we have two places. In C drive, we have two folders: program file x86, where 32-bit application is installed, and program file, which is 64-bit applications. We'll go through it in step by step in operating system part. And also in Android, we can see the application inside settings to apps. Mac or iOS is similar to Android applications. We can see the installed application inside settings to apps, or sometimes in application handler agent like Homebrew for Mac OS. Operating system help us to run application software through several ways, such as command prompt or terminal. We have graphical user interfaces application that we can use through mouse or touch screen. Understanding the basic help you become a better programmer, because you will know what happened behind every line of code. We will move to install a Java compiler at next lesson. Before closing it, let's revise it again. First, computer is everywhere. Before operating system run, we already have firmware software that helps processor to know where operating system software is loaded in a hard drive. When user press power button, firmware load and told computer to load operating system software, and operating system software also know how to run application software from its list. So remember, firmware start first, then operating system, then finally our application software. To create any software, we need to write programming that compiler will process and gives a application software. In the next part, we will install Java compiler and see how English like code become a machine language.